Vlogmas day 3. Right now it's the morning and I'm really tired. I just finished getting ready. My hair, I took a shower this morning and at my uncle's house. I'm gonna wait till it's dry and then I'm gonna bring my straightener and I'm gonna straighten my hair there probably. And the reason I go to my uncle's house is because my dad works, and so just in case I don't wake up or something, I don't want to take the risk. Like, if I don't wake up and I miss the bus or something like that. So I'm just going to my uncle's house. This is what I'm wearing today. I'm wearing these just blue high-waisted jeans from American Eagle. This floral crop top from Forever 21, and this kimono from Paxson. And then I'm probably just gonna straighten my hair. Now I'm gonna go down to eat breakfast. Right now we are driving to my aunt's house right now, and in the car, and I didn't feel good this morning. I felt like when I got in the shower, I felt like really dizzy, and like then I had a headache, and I was like really dizzy, and like I couldn't like stand up, so I had to like lay down after the shower before. Yeah, so right now we are on our way to my aunt's house, and we're gonna go to school. That time I'm gonna go to school because he's in the high school, and then Val on the middle school, so I'm in 8th, and that's at 7. Right now we are at the bus stop, and I actually didn't even straighten my hair because I fell asleep, and I just took a nap, and I didn't wake up by the alarm I set, and right now we are waiting at the bus stop. Angela?
Don't look at me.
Okay. Right now we are on the bus going home. And it's raining cats and dogs. It's raining a lot and we have to run in the rain. There's a rain. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh crap. I can't. I got it. Crap. My phone. So we just got home and look, it's coming. And we're all wet. Right now we are in Stop and Shop and we're food shopping.
Order 27 is ready for pickup at your convenience. Thank you.
250. Before you have this.
Now I am getting soda. Right now we are checking out. We just got out of the coffee shop and now we are going home, and it's really cold outside. So I got home like a couple of hours ago, and I know this was a vlog, but like I just didn't feel like vlogging. I had dinner stuff and I just didn't. After that I just wanted to like, just didn't feel like talking. I just wanted to be alone for a little, I guess. And today I just don't feel great today after school. After my last time I vlogged, I just didn't feel good. So I honestly don't feel good now. I'm just gonna end the vlog. See you guys tomorrow, and hopefully it's better tomorrow and like it's more entertaining. I know I keep on saying that. See you guys tomorrow.